One of the things I don't like about ice cube trays is the fact that they're all open and things in the freezer can fall on top of them. I know most of the stuff in the freezer is in containers, but it still seems wrong. Well, these ice cube trays sort of try and solve that problem. They come with their own storage container, which obviously can be used as a storage container in its own right. Clip-on lid to keep stuff out of it, and here are the ice cube trays themselves. They're each one of these has got 17 little cups in it to make your ice cubes in. They're quite small ice cubes, which is great because they'll melt quickly and cool your drink down nicely. Or of course they're nice mouthful-sized ice cubes that you can use. Easy to pick up, just pick them up like that. The ice cube trays are quite hard, so we'll have to see how easily things come out. Here's the just nice little picture there to make it look attractive on the shop shelves, and it's nice and easy to do these clips up. They're not a struggle like sometimes these things can be. So I think these are going to be really useful, and as I say, you can obviously use this as a storage container in its own right, but I think it really adds something to the ice cubes. The only thing I would say though is that it's round, and round is not a very efficient shape for freezers because obviously it doesn't tessellate with anything. Personally, I would have made these square, but the designers obviously decided to go for round for some reason or another, and round is more efficient on material, so the amount of plastic required to make it is a bit less, but it's less efficient on space in your freezer. So swings and roundabouts, I suppose. Oh yes, just here you've got this nice little seal here, so it should make it reasonably airtight. Just having a look to see how easy it is to get these ice cubes out of the ice cube tray. The trays are not at all flexible, so let's see if they'll tap out. No, they won't. Just water. Okay, the water ones are coming out easily. The water ones just pop out easily, but the fruit juice ones are a bit more of a problem. So you need to bear that in mind when using these ice trays, that they're fine with water. Oh, there we are. One of them's come out. I might have slightly overfilled these as well. The water ones were not quite so full.
Now at this stage I guess I ought to admit that these had only been in the freezer for about a day, and I know from other people that it does take perhaps 2 days sometimes to properly freeze fruit juice, and these were a little bit mushy when I did get them out. I found it was quite easy to just push them out with the end of a table knife or any other sort of blunt thing that was a bit small like that. So maybe leaving them freezing longer and then using something to gently push on one edge would be the key.